Welcome back friends. Today's video topic is how to calculate incentive for sales team based on the target and achievement in Microsoft Excel. As you can see in the screen, this workbook has two sheets. One is incentive calculation sheet and another is the practice sheet. This practice sheet is for you. If you want to practice calculating sales team's incentive, then you can download this workbook and practice here. And here in the first sheet, I'll show you how we can calculate incentive. First of all, let me explain the data. Here I have the sales representative's name and their sales targets for January to June. In this section, I have recorded the sales achievement of these sales representatives from Jan to June. And here in this table, my requirement is to calculate the month-wise incentive earned by each sales representatives. For this, I can use the if function. So in this cell, press equal to, then type the if function, bracket open. In the logical test of the if function, provide the highest slab of incentive, that is, the achievement should be 105% or more. So click on this achievement of January for first sales representative divided by target of January, and this should be greater than or equal to. So put here greater than equal to symbol, then put 105%. This is the logical test, and if the result of this logical test is true, then we have to give 3000 rupees. So put a comma, and in the value if true, it means if this logic is true, then in the value we have to put 3000, then put a comma. Now in the value if false of the if function, we have to repeat another if function. So put here if, open bracket. In the logical test of the second if function, we have to now test the second logic, that is whether the achievement percent is greater than or equal to 100%. So click on this January achievement divided by January target greater than equal to 100%. This is the logical test. Put a comma, and in the value if true, put the incentive amount, that is 2500. So put here 2500, put a comma, and in the value if false, put 0, because if both of these two conditions doesn't satisfy, then the sales representative is not eligible for any incentive amount. So put here 0, close bracket, close one more bracket for the first if function, then press enter. Here you see the incentive amount is given as 2500 for Jack for the month of January. Now you can simply drag this formula till the month of June. Again drag the formula till the last sales representative, and here you see the sales incentive amount is calculated. Here to calculate the total, you can simply use the sum function. So this is all about calculating the sales team's incentive in Microsoft Excel by using the if function. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in next video tutorial.